Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to withdraw money from Bybit to your bank account. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. The first step that you need to do is you have to click on Assets at the top right hand corner of the Bybit homepage. You can see that the Assets tab is right over here in the right top corner. And after that, what you need to do, step 2, on the Assets page, you can transfer assets into the following two ways. Number 1, click transfer on the upper right and a pop-up window for transfer will appear. And number 2, select an account on the right side of the assets page to enter the corresponding account page and then click transfer in the currency column where you wish to process. You can see the transfer is right here. You have to click it and then moving forward. Step 3, select the account's coin and the amount for the transfer and then click confirm. And that's it. That's all you need to do. It's as simple as that. So I hope you found this video informative. Please subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.